Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and to the 294th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. Today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make some blueberry butter. And my friends, this fruit spread is the bomb.com. It's going to be full of blueberry goodness. It is so delicious and it only calls for 4 ingredients. And this would be a great addition to your breakfast or brunch. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my blueberry playlist for more blueberry recipes. So grab your butter and your blueberry sugar because we're about to make some blueberry butter magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature, and we're going to cream this until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, this is what the butter looked like, nice and whipped. Alright, that was great. Next we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries. Make sure the blueberries is nice and sweet. And we're going to whip this until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what our blueberry butter looks like. You see how it turned into a light purple color? That's what you're looking for. And there you have it. That's how simple and easy it is to make fresh whipped blueberry butter. And you can use any fruit that you prefer. You can use strawberries, raspberries, or peaches. And this would be great to spread on toast, biscuits, muffins, bagels. It's awesome. Alright, I have some biscuits over there. I'm going to fix me up a plate and give it a taste. Alright my friends, I'm serving it with my homemade blueberry biscuits I have made on my last video. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. In fact, I'm going to add just a little bit more butter. I like lots and lots of butter on my biscuit. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, and the biscuit is still hot. Look, all that butter just melted on it. Ooh wee. All right. OMG, this is divine, my friends. The butter is so creamy. I love that hint of lemon. This is incredible. Please serve this blueberry butter for your next breakfast or brunch gathering. Everybody will love this. This deserves another bite. Blueberry butterlicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern Kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.